What's wrong with this live stream? Oh, my preview window's not showing me up, so I don't know what's going on. The other one does, but okay, so I've got another hole. Another hole I need to drill. Torch. This is tricky because there's wires around here, so actually I need to I'll leave the close peg there because I need another close peg. There we go. So I'm going to stick this around the back here, hopefully keep them out of the way. What I'm thinking is that the drill will catch the close peg instead of the wires. That's the idea. And I can't see a damn thing without my torch, so. I'm through anyway. I drilled it out before, but I had to go through again to make sure it's still lined up. Right, let's see. Right, we're definitely through. I can see the head coming through. You know what? I'm gonna try. Flatten the aluminium at the back so it'll go a bit further through if I can. Actually, if I'm going to do that, I might as well do it with that bent, that dodgy bit, the one that looks a bit manky anyway, and then if it goes wrong I haven't lost a good rivet. And I'll see if I can squish it a bit just to get a little bit further through. We don't give you a lot of room with these things. I think I'll do it in my bedroom vise, I think. Table vise. Squish the back flange, well, the top hat, I don't know what you call it really. Where's my pliers? There they are. I squished it in my vise, this back edge, but for some reason I couldn't quite catch this one here, so I'm going to try it with my pliers. It's only aluminium, it's not strong steel. Right, that should go through a lot more than it did before. Don't need my drill right now, so I'm going to move that out the way. Okay, let's see. How far will this go through? Can't see very well. Well, it's not doing so bad. I'm going to stick the clips on the bottom to hold that in. That rivet is actually right on the edge of that bloody thing as well. That foot's moved back a bit, but well, once that rivet goes in, it's a temporary fix this anyway. I can take the close peg off the other side now. It's just in the way. You know what? I have an idea. I've got an idea. Netbook's always getting too warm. I think the fan wants to clean it. Again. Right, if I tap that a bit, I can't see again. Where's my torch gone? I keep walking off with my torch and moving it. Ah, there it is. Where are we? Show you up to see what I'm doing, but nah, my flipping thingamajig is not long enough. I'm just going to have to use this other screwdriver and tap it, see if I can knock it in a bit. I need to put my finger around there. Right, that's gone in. That's gone in a lot better. Now let's have a look. Oh yeah, I can see the head coming out. Right, now without pulling it out, I've got to get my I've got to get my riveter on it. I need to push back on there, so I'm going to try and stick my knee on it. Oh, that should work. Oh, it's coming out. It'll come out. Oh, it's just the head that's coming out. Oh God, this is hard work. Can't do it hardly. Whoop. Falling over now. Right, I hope it's whole. I hope it's worked. I really do. It looks like it has. I'm not sure. Yeah, I think it has. Well, there's two chances. Either that foot stays on or it doesn't. If it doesn't, well, I'm going to have to get some more longer rivets and try it again, but drilling those rivets out is not going to be much fun, because I believe that the actual shank, the shank that goes through the middle is hardened steel. Mind you can drill off the aluminium parts, or cut them off with a, yeah, I could cut them off easy with my diamond cutting disc. So I'm not worried. If it doesn't work, that foot is solid though right now. That foot is solid. I think it's going to be fine. I just want to make sure all the wires are good. I've got a bit of resin on the wires, that's all, on this side. I am going to put some more epoxy down that gully. There's a little bit of a gap there. I think the foot must have moved a bit, but it's not a major amount, just about a millimetre. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take this peg off now. I don't need it. Yeah, at least this end's fixed, and this other end is anchored a bit. So there's a considerable amount of strength with them two plates like that. I've got the pretty side of the rivets on the outside, which is something. So what did I catch when I... There was some... Oh, it's probably just a bit of resin that's done there actually. I don't know, they look alright. Oh yeah, I did catch the black wave, but it's okay. Oh, that's fine. Okay. Well, while it's up in the air, I'm going to mix some epoxy and fill that crack up. I'm going to put the peg back on for now so it keeps them out of the way. Let's see. I'm trying to get these wires bunched up and clipped. I really need to be forward now though. Maybe I could clip them at this side and keep them back. Let's see. If I hook that around there. Okay, that's better. I can get to the area to put some epoxy in that hole now without getting it all over the bloody wires as well. So we've got it riveted. It just needs a bit of extra some epoxy on there just to add a little bit more strength to it. I tried resin earlier, but the resin was too brittle. We need something like epoxy that's flexible. That's what we need. I'll get that flipping rivet one back in the box now. So damn easy it goes. Get in there. Server shut down. I mind if it's on that one. I gave it a mind, didn't I? Called bash files. Right. Well, you can't see bugger all from here. Yeah, I probably need to move that camera, but I'm just going to mix some epoxy up. And so if I stick the camera, it should be about right there actually. You won't see a lot anyway for a while, so I'll get this epoxy mixed. I'm going to move the microphone over there because there's nowhere to put the light. Okay, you have to bear with me. Oh, actually maybe these pins aren't hardened steel, otherwise you wouldn't shave off like that. Interesting. Don't know why I was thinking they were, but you know, I'll tell you what, I'm going to stop the stream again because this preview is not working anyway. Anyway, I'll come back in a few minutes.